think all of us could probably list 1,000 things that go through our heads when it comes to, creating a course, writing a book, writing a blog post, going live on social media, coming up with a business idea, changing jobs. All of us have things that go through our heads, and I've heard everything and I've felt everything. I'm too old, I'm too young, I don't have enough experience, I haven't researched enough yet, I'm not rich enough, I'm not smart enough, I don't have enough skills. All of these things go through your head. And if you manage to push through any of those, congratulations. Then imposter syndrome comes in and starts telling you, who are you to write this story? Who's going to listen to this? Who's going to like this? People are going to troll you. People are going to say mean things. I can't imagine that any single person listening or watching this right now can say that they haven't felt one of those feelings before. And I definitely have, and most definitely still do to this day. I definitely felt all of those doubts when I came to writing my books. And a lot of it came down to reminding myself that I was doing it for me, that I wasn't going out there necessarily to make money as such. I think as soon as we focus just on income, now books definitely help make you an income, that's for sure, but that's not enough to get you through sometimes the self-doubt and the discipline of writing the book. And I've just reminded myself, this is for me, this is a dream that I have, this is a little fire that's been burning silently in my belly for a long time, and to have that book that I've written, in my hand is worth pushing through this discomfort and reminding ourselves that success is always on the other side of discomfort. The next version of ourselves is always on the other side of discomfort. If we want to have it, we're going to have to push through that discomfort. And most of the time you realize it is nowhere near as uncomfortable as we thought it would be.